Why switching from HBase to TencentDB TDSQL TDStore is a game changer for big data. Think HBase has been the go-to for big data storage? It's true. Its scalability, high availability, and affordability on standard hardware once made it the darling of data teams. But as businesses evolve, demanding real-time insights, structured data, and smarter cost management, the limitations of HBase are becoming hard to ignore. Enter TencentDB TDSQL with its TDStore engine, a next-gen solution built to fill these gaps. With MySQL 8.0 compatibility, cloud-native flexibility, and powerful compression, it's quickly turning heads as a superior choice for storing and managing historical data. So, what's holding HBase back? Let's break down its pain points. 1. Operational headaches. Setting up and maintaining HBase involves juggling multiple components like Hadoop tools, and with shrinking community support, troubleshooting gets tougher. 2. Slow data retrieval. No secondary indexes mean queries often head straight through sequential scans, slow and laggy, with average times around 150 milliseconds. 3. Transaction issues. Only guarantees atomicity per row, making multi-table consistency a nightmare. 4. Costly disaster recovery. To keep data safe across zones, you need costly multi-cluster setups with multiple replicas, skyrocketing storage expenses. 5. Compression limits. Default snappy is okay but not efficient. Upgrading to ZSTD could cause instability, double whammy. Now, why consider switching to TDSQL's TDStore engine? Cost savings you'll love asterisk. LZ4 plus ZSTD compression slashes storage size by nearly 50% compared to HBase's snappy, even with just one cluster instead of two or more, massive bucks saved. Compact storage means less infrastructure and smaller cloud bills. Performance that hits fast asterisk. Say goodbye to long waits. Query latency drops from around 150 milliseconds to approximately 37 milliseconds, nearly a 75% improvement. Its multi-master setup handles millions of QPS smoothly, supporting real-time applications. Better data governance asterisk. Unlike HBase's schemaless design, TDStore enforces clear columns and data types, reducing errors and cleanup costs. Native MySQL support makes it easy to connect with existing systems without complex middleware. Ease of operations asterisk. Cloud-native, containerized architecture means easy scaling and upgrades without downtime. Schema changes happen seamlessly online, adding columns or indexes, no external tools needed. A real-world success asterisk. In Tencent's payment system, moving from HBase to TDStore cut storage costs nearly in half and chopped query times by 3/4, all while streamlining maintenance. Bottom line, TencentDB TDSQL's TDStore engine isn't just an alternative, it's a smart upgrade for those managing large-scale historical data today. With cloud-native architecture, compatibility with familiar SQL tools, and advanced compression techniques, it's set to redefine what's possible in enterprise data management. As Tencent keeps improving TDStore, it's well on its way to becoming the go-to platform for modern, high-performance data needs.